Question is 2x square plus 7 is equal to 15. Solution. As you know, whenever you see such question, you have to convert it into a standard form. That is ax square plus bx plus c. Alright. So it becomes 2x square plus 7x minus 15 equal to 0, because we have to move this right hand side to left hand side to make it ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alright. I hope it's clear. What is it? It's a standard form, standard quadratic form, So now fit the values, fit the formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So fit values. What is b here? 7. Minus of formula minus 7 plus minus under root. What is b here? 7. 7 whole square minus 4 formula. What is a here? A is 2. And what is c here? Minus 15. Whenever you see, I have told you, whenever you see minus sign, we can't ignore it. We have to put the minus sign in the given formula. Alright. What is 2? 2 of formula. A is, what is a here? 2. I hope it's clear. X equals to, now solve it. Minus 7 plus minus 7 sevens are 49. Alright. Minus plus 4 twos are 8. 8 15s are. What is it? Just solve it. Yes, you are right. It's 120. 4 twos are 8. 8 15s are 120. Minus plus. Alright. 2 twos are 4. Now solve it. X equals to minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 128 become 169 over 4. Alright. Now solve it. X equals to minus 7 plus minus 169 under root means 13 over 4. Now solve it. X equals to minus 7 plus 13 over 4. X equals to minus 7 minus 13 over 4. Solve it. 13 minus 7, 6 over 4. X equals to minus plus 13 plus 7, 20 minus 20 over 4. Now solve it. X equals to 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It becomes 3 by 2. X equals to 4 1s are 4, 5 are 20. So minus 5. X equals to, what is the formula? Answer is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2 and minus 5 answer. I hope it's clear. Very simple, very easy. Alright. Just put the values in the formula, and for that purpose you must know the formula. Plus 11 equals to 7x. Solution. Now what we do in next step, we will just arrange it. X square, this will move right hand side towards left hand side. Sign will be changed. X square minus 7x plus 11 equal to 0. Alright. This is given. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alright. Just fit the values of a, b and c in the formula. X equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. X equals to, what is b here? Minus 7. I have told you, don't ignore negative sign. Alright. Minus 7 means minus 7. Plus minus, what is b square? Minus 7 whole square minus 4 formula. What is a here? A is coefficient of x square is 1. What is c here? 11. I hope it's clear. Alright. 2 and a. What is a here? Coefficient of x square is 1. Very simple, very easy. Now solve it. Minus become plus 7. I have told you, whenever you don't need to write the sign plus always. You don't need to write plus sign, alright? So plus 7 means plus 7. Plus minus, but we always need to write negative sign, don't forget. Minus 7 into minus 7, what it become? Minus 7 into minus 7, 7 sevens are 49. Minus plus 49. So 49 minus 4 ones are 4. 4, what is multiplied by? It's 11 here. 4 11s are 44. Clear? 4, A is 1, what is C? C is 11. 4 11s are 44. I hope it's clear. Now solve it. Over 2a, 2 ones are 2. X equals to 7 plus minus over 4 times 44. What is the answer? Yes, 5. Under root 5. So, y over 2. Now solve it. X equals to 7 plus under root 5 over 2. X equals to 7 minus under root 5 over 2. So, you can solve it, you can find this answer in decimal, but if you don't like it, this is your answer. What I am doing, you can easily solve root 5, take under root 5 plus 7 divided by 2. Whatever root 5, 7 minus under root 5 by 2, you can do it. But if you end the question in that condition, plus minus, this could also be your answer. Alright, it's up to you. Either you want to end it in decimal form, or either you just want it like that. So it's up to you. Alright, I hope it's clear. Now next question is very important.